Hey guys, welcome to me reacting to SML YTP Jeffy's New Year's by Glider. Now, I have not seen this, and again, Happy New Year's, guys. There have been a lot of New Year's videos today, I think. I don't know. Honestly, I was not expecting to upload a video today, but now I'm uploading 3. So yeah, that's, I guess, spam! Hope you guys liked spam, because, you know, I do that a lot. But yeah, anyways, guys, links in the description. Make sure to subscribe to Glider. Let's get right into it. Now.
Oh, I can't believe tomorrow I'm coming out of the closet.
Whoa!
You want to see my
What?
Christmas list?
This is awesome!
No.
Chef PB? Oh, racist.
If you don't bend over right now, you're
Never.
I am the luckiest man in the world right now, yeah! I am the luckiest, and today we will be talking about children. I do enjoy sucking my child. Can I have some more?
What is worse?
Okay, I can't wait to see fireworks. What the fuck is that? Wow.
Why is he in a dark alleyway?
Oh my goodness! Oh my god, that's amazing!
Why was Junior green? Uh-oh.
Yes!
Again, really?
I brought my mom's news on my phone.
What the f? Alright, little girl, tell everyone about your underpants. You perv!
What?
It's time to learn our ABCs. A-S-S. I think that's it for today.
Oh my god.
I smoked away my brain. Think
What
I'm
the
going
heck?
dumb. Cocaine up on my gums. I think they going dumb. I'm having stomach pains. Now I'm throwing up. Cause I'm a microphone fiend. Give me the bass, give me the beat, now let me.
What? Why is it? Alright. Thanks for watching and Happy New Year's. For watching and supporting my videos this year. Nice! Alright. Next year will be different, so I can't. Why'd you jump scare me at the end? You jump scared me at the end. Okay, I was trying to read it, but then you just jump scared me. Alright, this video was actually really good. I liked it. I really did enjoy this one. I really did. But yeah, anyways, guys, enjoy. Leave a like and maybe subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next one. Bye!